And week 9 of the timeline this week starts in the song with 500 AD, 500 AD. And so for that, we're going to hold up the number 5 with one hand and then make it C for 100. So it'll be 500 AD, 500 AD. And then the song will get a little bit faster. And the first card is Byzantine Emperor Justinian. And so with the song, there's going to be some little beats and things like that. So we're going to snap our fingers along with the beats. So it'll be Byzantine, a B in sign language, an E, and you're going to put it up by your shoulder and move it down to your hip. So Byzantine, Emperor, and then a J for Justinian. Byzantine, Emperor, Justinian. The next card is Benedict and Monasticism. And for that one, we're going to make another B, and then we're going to put two L's up near our forehead, kind of, and flip your fingers over so your thumb is on top. So it'll be Benedict and Monasticism. Okay. The next card is Mohammed founds Islam, and for that one, we're going to make an M in sign language, and then the sign for Islam is 2 fingers bent like this, kind of like people kneeling on their knees to pray. So Mohammed founds Islam, Zanj and early Ghana in Africa, and for that one, we're going to kind of trade things back and forth. And the song goes a little bit fast there, so it's going to be Zanj and early Ghana in Africa, and you're just going to have time to do this just a few times because that card's a little bit fast. The next card is Franks defeat Muslims at the Battle of Tours, and for that one, we're going to do the sign that we've done for defeat. So it's going to be Franks defeat, and then the sign for Muslims. So Franks defeat Muslims at the Battle of Tours. We're just going to do that sign for war that we've done before in the past. So Franks defeat Muslims at the Battle of Tours. The next card is Golden Age of Islam, and for that one we're going to point at our ear and do the Y, the yellow for gold again. So it'll be Golden Age of Islam, like the people kneeling again. So Golden Age of Islam, and then the song has a little bit more music, so you can snap your fingers along with the music if you want. And then the next card is Vikings Raid and Trade, and for that we're going to do a V in sign language for Vikings, raid like you're picking things up, and then trade like you're giving and taking. So it'll be Vikings, raid, and trade. Okay? So now we're going to run through the motions one more time without explaining them to you, and that'll help you to kind of get the hang of it before next week. So the first card this week is Byzantine Emperor Justinian, Benedict and Monasticism, Mohammed founds Islam, Zanj and early Ghana in Africa. And then the music does some drums, so you can beat your drums if you want to. Franks defeat Muslims at the Battle of Tours, Golden Age of Islam, snap your fingers if you want to, and then Vikings, raid, and trade. And that's it for this week. See you for week 10.